In December, I took leftover Pink Panther insulation that I used to skirt the trailer and cardboard and put it on the inside of the windows to give us emergency insulation because of sub-zero temperatures. Now, of course, condensation gets in, mold could be a big factor. So what I'm going to show you in this video is what we did to help resolve it. It may not stop it, but it'll help resolve it. That material my wife is cutting is called Reflectix. And what she did was she measured every single window that we had in the exterior and started cutting pieces up. Because of the unusual extreme cold weather, we could not simply use masking tape or painter's tape to attach this material to the windows. We actually had to go to a foil tape for extreme cold weather. And there's a big downside to that, and that is it is really harsh on the paint of your RV. So you have to be very careful in the spring or summer removing it, otherwise it's going to look pretty bad. Here's, huh?
We can do 63?
Yeah.
I'm trying to follow the line of the bubble so it's straight. Okay, let's measure it. I'm pretty sure it's enough.
We can definitely make that work. So we can cut the second one like you said. And I'll come up and tape it. Yeah, a little bit, just a little bit longer.
They're the exact same size?
Yeah, just cut it maybe an inch longer.
Do you mind holding the...
Sure.
No, not that.
What? Go, I got you down. I got you.
Let's do a mask.
Well, we're using the mask to clean out the thing, so it shouldn't be a big deal.
I know, but my ears get cold, so I need to keep them protected.
Okay.